Hey guys, how you doing? This is Captain Mike, Middle Tennessee, with hole 5 on this winter major tournament. I'm going at it with the Apocalypse and the Cataclysm. I just think the Cataclysm makes that approach shot easier. And we're gonna go with a Kingmaker here. I want you to watch again how I set up on my drive here, and my APOC is a 4 here. The APOC 5 does have a little bit more power, about 6 yards more power than the APOC 4, so you want to take that in mind when you're setting up. I'm going to use about 4 top spin. You could probably, even with the 5, use about 3, maybe 4. But I want you to look how I set up. See right there where my red is? See where my red is hugging the edge. That's what I want to do. I want my red right against the edge of the rough there, my red part of my ring. I'm going to use all my, or most of my left, or all my left if I can. Use about 4 top, like that right there, adjust for my wind. And then I'm going to use full curl. Just to make sure we get it on over there. Hopefully the full curl isn't too much. You can't hardly use too much curl on this. So full curl, 4 top, all left spin. It lays us right up there nicely. Just remember, on setting up, you're on your bullseye, put your red right up against the edge of that rough. It leaves a little bit of space. You're going to be making up for that with the curl easily. So it leaves a little bit of space. I'm trying to look at some comparisons here. The 4 has 66 accuracy. Okay, the 5 has 75 accuracy. So that's gonna make your target a little smaller than my target. Same amount of curl, so you're safe there. So you want to keep that in mind, that your target is going to be a little bit smaller. So you might want to put the edge of the blue against the rough. See how I've got the edge of the red against the rough? You might want to put the edge of the blue against the rough. If you have the APOC 5 there. So I think what we determine, our landing spot is going to be right along in there. See how I'm snuggling that red one right in there, just hugging the red around the edges of the rough. We're going to use all of our right, and I think we said about 2 and a sliver of bottom was the key there. Adjust for our wind. And with that wind being left to right like that, we are going to use more curl on this one. See how that works out. Okay, well that was still, I think, too much curl. Let's see how this rolls down. Still too much curl, even with that right to left wind. So you want to lessen your curl just a little bit on that. But anyway, guys, that's how we'll play this hole. See you on the next.